What's up, Top Rubbers? Today we are back in a familiar vehicle. This is the Creta N-Line, the all-new Creta N-Line, but you cannot call it all-new anymore. It has been 5 months already since the launch of this vehicle. So why are we here in this car again? Because we are going to be covering the infotainment system that this car offers, guys. A 10.25-inch infotainment system, which offers a host of features, guys. I mean, so many features that some of them you won't even understand and don't even need it also. Because before starting this video I was exploring this infotainment system on my own and I was blown away. And this is going to be a very long video because we will be exploring each and everything in detail, guys. And आप अगर एक option में if you're clicking no, there are more options in that particular option. So I mean, you will see, guys, okay, what I'm trying to say. Okay, first of all, let's understand the response. But before we get started with the video, like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and press that bell notification icon so you don't miss any of my future uploads. And if you find this video entertaining, informative, do share it with your friends and family who are planning on buying the Creta N-Line. Okay, so let's get started straight away, guys. Where about this response? Okay, it's very smooth, very slick, it's real time, and it feels very premium. Okay, so there is no doubt about the touch response of this particular screen. Okay, यहाँ पे bezels आप देख सकते हो. All right, थोड़ा सा अगर और extended होता, I think would have been looked more premium, but it's okay. If what you're getting, it's completely fine, guys, because once you start exploring you will start to see that this is a next level infotainment screen. Okay, so this is a connected screen, of course, as you can see. So you can see in the home screen यहाँ पे जो menu है, menu ही नहीं है, मतलब जो lock screen है basically आपका. You can see the time, sound of nature ka, you know, what music is playing, what is the date and everything, what day it is today, and you can see that slide navigation display on the screen as well. So we're going to be going to the apps menu now. What do we have here? Maps, navigation, phone projection, voice memo, climate, valet mode, quiet mode, radio mode, media, geo sound, settings, blue link, notification, manual. Now we are going to be exploring each and everything in absolute detail, guys. So stick to the end of the video so I don't miss out on anything. Watch each and every section so that you get an idea of how this infotainment system works. So let's select the map option and see what we have here. ये home button का option है, ये आपका north east का option है, and this is how you can change the view of your display. This is to increase the view. Auto 100 meters का आपको पूरा दिखा रहा है, 200 meters का दिखा रहा है, and this is to zoom in. Okay, zoom out zoom in का option है basically. यहाँ पे music का option है, sounds of nature चल रहा है. Menu में these are options: nearby info, save location. Nearby info में you get show POI icons. Basically this is your point of interest icons, petrol pump, parking and etc. Okay, this is nearby POI, so इसको click करते हैं तो ये आप देख सकते हो. You can even deselect certain icons if you don't want them to be shown on the map. So pharmacies, banks, accommodation, cafes, fast food restaurants, parking, petrol pumps, etc. All right, what else do we get in the menu? You get save location, you can save your location. You can see your nearby POI, you can share your destination, you can get traffic info, and you can switch off the display as well. Okay, so that is up to you. तो map तो हमने explore कर लिया. Now let's come to the navigation. Look at this. आपने navigation select किया and so many options pop up. You can search your destination, of course, by typing it in. You have your nearby point of interests over here. Okay, so you can see petrol pumps. These icons will be visible. All right, and if you want to get to a certain point of interest, you can select that icon and it will get you to the nearest POI. Okay, and these are your previous destinations. Okay, Ramakrishna Math and everything is written over here. Favorite destinations bhi aap set kar sakte ho. You get your save places over here, home, office, favorite. You can set your save places and favorite places as well. This is your Hyundai service. Okay, and you can basically select the service station and you can get to the nearby service station through your navigation. So ये आप कर सकते हो. Near current position, along route का option, and near destination, near school. You have to select a destination, then you'll get these options. Okay, so that is one thing. Coming here, you can cancel your route, you can get a route overview, you can plan your tour as well. If you want to make stops and everything, you can plan it accordingly. You get route options, and of course traffic data is also available. Home, office, favorite 1, favorite 2, favorite 3 का भी option यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है navigation के अंदर. So coming to phone. फोन में ये आप डिवाइस कनेक्शन देख सकते हो, Realme Master GT and someone else's phone is already connected. Phone projection is basically your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is wired. You don't get wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in such an expensive vehicle, which is something of a bummer in my opinion. Let me know your thoughts, because in the lower variants mein you do get wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, but in the N line and the top variant of the normal Creta, you're not getting that. So that is something to think about. I think wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto should have been provided, because you're offering so many features already. Okay, so coming to voice memo, this is your voice memo option. Voice memo stored in this vehicle system until deleted. Please go to menu, so you can record your voice and everything and save it. जो एप्पल का आता है ना वॉइस मेमो, वैसा ही है. क्लाइमेट में जाए तो वी हैव टू स्विच ऑन द कार. लेट्स डू अनदर स्टार्ट ओवर हियर. दिस इज योर डिजिटल क्लस्टर एज यू कैन सी. सो क्लाइमेट में आप गए, you basically get your touchscreen system for the AC. Okay, to give it a little bit more premium look, you do get physical buttons of course, but यहाँ पे आपको अगर touch screen use करना है, थोड़ा premiumness, you want to show off to your friends and family, you can use the AC from the infotainment itself. You can increase the temperature, decrease the temperature. You can switch on and off the AC. Auto climate control can be selected. Outside temperature भी दिखा रहा है, इसमें AQI भी दिखाता है. Okay, so going back, you get your valet mode. Basically valet mode is something where if you're giving your car, if you're going to a hotel or something where they have valet facility, you can give your car there and the valet will not be able to drive above a certain speed, which is I think 15 kilometers per hour, so they don't misuse the vehicle. Okay, तो आपकी vehicle भी misuse नहीं होगी. So valet mode is a very necessary feature, but of course it comes with Blue Link. Okay, because this car has connected car tech. You get quiet mode as well. Quiet mode is nothing but the sound of the speakers will be diverted to the front if someone does not want to listen to music at the rear. So you can divert the sound of the music to the front and they won't be disturbed, and people sitting in the front who want to listen to the music, they can have a good time accordingly. Okay, so that is what quiet mode is. Then you come to radio. Okay, ये आप देख रहे हो रेडियो. ठीक है, ये लग रहा है ना जो बल्ब्स होते हैं ना उसका टाइप का डिस्प्ले है. 92.7 is written over here. So you can navigate through FM as well through the touch screen. Media options में you get FM, Geo Sound is inbuilt, Bluetooth audio, USB music, USB video, AM, Sounds of Nature, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Sounds of Nature is basically you get a lot of options. आप list about तो बहुत सारे outer space communication, rainy day, moment of meditation, warm fireplace. गाड़ी अगर चला जाता है आदमी सो ना जाए. So I believe Sounds of Nature is not right for the person driving, because it is a calming kind of a thing and you might doze off, so don't start the Sounds of Nature. Anyway, coming to the next option, I think we've explored quiet mode, radio, media, Geo Sound we've already explored. Settings is another, oh my god, so many things to explore. Vehicle navigation, sound, device connection, user profile, voice recognition, layout, display, button, Blue Link, general. Okay, so vehicle में जाते हैं. So you get driver assistance options. Of course इसमें ADAS आता है. यहाँ पे driving convenience आप select करो. So this is what you get. Driving convenience, warning methods, driver attention warning भी है इसमें. Okay, you can sets the properties of driver attention warning system. Leading vehicle departure alert notifies the driver when the leading vehicle drives away. Driving safety may get forward safety, collision avoidance by provision of a warning, and vehicle control when a risk of forward collision is detected. Forward safety warning timing भी है उसमें. lane safety, blind spot view monitor, blind spot safety, exit safety भी है guys, which is normal, and you can select late also. So that is for your forward safety warning. You get lane safety as well, blind spot monitor, blind spot view monitor, blind spot safety, exit safety. Display a blind spot view in the cluster when changing the lanes using the turn indicator, of course. Then blind spot safety is provisions of a warning and emergency braking when a risk of blind spot collision is detected while exiting, and exit safety is basically warning on detection of traffic in the blind spot. So it's pretty basic guys. Parking safety mein you're getting surround view monitor auto. Automatically activates surround view monitor when parking distance warning is active. Parking distance warning auto on automatically activates parking distance warning when traveling in low speeds. And your rear cross traffic safety, which is provision of a warning and vehicle control when a risk of rear cross traffic collision is detected while reversing. So a lot of safety tech guys, a lot of ADAS tech in this car. So आप देख सकते हो. Going back, driving safety, I think this is the same thing. driver attention warning, वो सब same ही चीज़ दिखा रहा है. Parking safety, which we have already explored. So you have options over here. If you want a specific option, you can select one of the options over here and go and change your settings accordingly. Cluster की बात करें, so basically this is your digital cluster. You get your drive modes and traction mode over here. You can basically change it to normal, sport एंड इको. ये चेंज नहीं हो रहा है. आई थिंक एक पर्टिकुलर थीम सिलेक्टेड है. लिंक टू ड्राइव मोड कर देते हैं एंड नाउ यू कैन चेंज इट थ्रू दिस पर्टिकुलर नॉब. ओके, सो एज यू कैन सी, that is how it is. So if you want to select a particular theme which you are fond of, you can select that, or you can link it to drive mode and you can change it through the knob over here. This is your brightness, of course. आपको कितना brightness चाहिए, कम चाहिए, this is up to you. Brightness में और भी options है. Blue light है. You know, blue light is of course harmful to your eyes, so you can set it accordingly as to how much blue light do you want. You want it less warm, more warm, that is also there. And automatic schedule time, activate the blue light filter during custom time set, so वो भी आप कर सकते हो. adjust radio camera settings में अगर आए हम, display contents में ये parking distance warning, top view reference lines, rear view reference lines. If you want these reference lines or not, you can get rid of them also if you want a plain camera. This is your display settings. You can see, you can increase the brightness, night का, daylight का brightness का option है. Contrast you can increase or decrease, again that is up to you. So a lot of things available in this car, guys. lot of features. Oh my god. Reset fuel economy after refueling manually or on vehicle alert, that is up to you. You can reset it from here, of course, or you can reset it after refueling, or you can do it manually. Okay, yeah, vehicle start में भी reset हो जाता है. So that is up to you, guys. Then there's content selection, wiper lights display, traffic signs, blind spot view monitor, IC road. Okay, ट्रैफिक साइंस भी आप सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो. डेफिनेशन कंटेंट टू बी डिस्प्लेड इन द क्लस्टर ये आप सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो. देन देयर इज वेलकम साउंड. वंस यू गेट इन द कार इट विल गिव यू अ नाइस प्लेजेंट साउंड विच यू कैन स्विच ऑफ एंड ऑन. क्लाइमेट इंटरनल एयर सर्कुलेशन में आपको एक्टिवेशन ऑन वॉशर फ्लूइड यूज, जैसे प्रिवेंशन ऑफ वॉशर फ्लूइड सेंट एंटरिंग द कैबिन. मतलब कभी कोई वॉशर फ्लूइड व्हेन यू आर यूजिंग द सेंट एंटर्स द कैबिन, दिस विल स्टॉप दैट फ्रॉम हैपनिंग. एंड एक्टिवेशन अपॉन एंटरिंग अ टनल, your internal air circulation will start as well. Unique feature, automatic ventilation, auto dehumidify, automatic switching to outside air ventilation to decrease humidity after an extended use of internal air circulation. तो ये option भी आपके पास available है. Then lighting is headlight timeout and high beam assist, interior lights on. This is also up to you. High beam assist is basically if there's a car oncoming, okay, it will switch to low beam so that the other car doesn't feel irritated, and once the car passes it will switch on the high beam. And this is your door functions, auto lock enable on speed, auto unlock vehicle off. Okay, और on shift to P अगर आप पार्किंग में डाल दोगे तो ऑटो अनलॉक हो जाएगा, या ऑफ कर दो. और ऑटो लॉक में enable on speed or shift or off, that is up to you. You get these options available as well, where I was also I have forgotten. I think I've absolutely forgotten which option I was using. So sound, I think we've already explored. I don't think we've explored sound, so let's explore sound once again. So you get premium sound, dynamic speed compensation, position, where you want to position the sound from, center, right, left, that is completely up to you, but center is the best. You get an equalizer option, treble, mid-range and bass. Guidance, navigation during phone calls, navigation, prioritize, mute navigation, guidance, welcome sound. This is up to you, which is of course it depends on the user, what is their need. Radio noise control, basically the static that you get when at certain areas you don't get a good connection to the radio, that will be minimized. Driver assistance is driving safety priority and parking safety priority, and connected devices, Android Auto यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो, this is available. And Apple CarPlay में also this is available. Media, phone, ringtone, you can set the tone of the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto accordingly, guys. So that's what you get in your sound. Okay, I think we were at vehicle only, so which we have explored already. Navigation also we have explored, sound we have explored, and device connections. So device connections mein of course we've explored this also, so I'm just going to run through this and not going to be going in detail because it's the same thing. User profile mein you can add your users accordingly. If you have more people in the family, they can add their driving profile as well. Over here, voice recognition mein you get minimize prompts option. Voice prompts are not played, only beeps are provided to indicate when to say a command. So that is what the voice recognition is. Then this is your layout, which you get screensaver, split screen, etc. I think we've already explored this. Screensaver, analog, digital or none. Split screen, weather, sports, calendar, if you want any of the options with another option available of course, and you can select your theme. Link to drive mode हमने already कर दिया है. Display में we have already explored. Button में क्या है? You get your custom button का settings. You get custom button over here, custom button over here as well. दोनों side में you can of course select an option for your custom button as well guys. So ये blue link option है, and this is your blue link में जाए तो what do you get? Activate service. Okay, then this is your modem information, verification code, etc guys. Okay, which is not really needed for a buyer itself, because that is something technical. Okay, general में अगर जाए तो version update, system info, date and time, language, keyboard, units, meter settings, etc. This also recognizes basically your signboards as well, whether you have to slow down or children are crossing, okay, or there are bumps ahead as well. You can select those options also, or deselect those options if you want them to be recognized or you don't want them to be recognized, because of course this car comes with ADAS, so that option is also available in this particular car guys. So this is everything which we have in the infotainment system, which we have explored. And I think phone projection भी हमने explore कर लिया, voice, climate, settings, JioSaavn, सब कुछ ही explore कर लिया है. Okay, and of course this is your notification. You need Blue Link access for this, and this is your manual. You can scan the QR code and get the manual in your phone itself, so that's pretty neat. And this is what it is guys of the infotainment system of the Creta N-Line guys. What do you guys think? It is of course feature packed, it is loaded. What do you guys think of the infotainment system? Do let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you want more such videos, do let me know that as well, and I'll do my best to bring it to you. And if you have any suggestions, of course, do let me know that as well in the comments guys. I thank you so much for joining me in this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and press the bell notification icon so you don't miss any of my future uploads guys. I will see you in the next one. Then take care and stay safe, bye bye.